Alright, welcome back. In this video, we want to do a kind of live application of what we have been learning. And we are going to be starting with the application of Excel for academic analysis. But this is just an elementary analysis where we are going to be looking for mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. So this is our data set as given to us on the platform. We have student ID from 1 to 20. To get that, I'm going to click here and I'm going to, if I just type 001 and I go to the next cell, I'll notice that the leading zeros are not there again. They are no more there, they disappear. So instead of just typing like that, I'm going to put an apostrophe then before typing my 001. That ensures that the leading zero remains there. Now, anytime you do that with a number, that number cannot be used for calculation again in Excel, because the number will be treated as a text. So to fill in the remaining 20 rows, I'm going to drag from here and I'm going to keep going down until I get to number 20. So on this 17, then let's drag it for 3 more cells. So that helps me to quickly type the student's ID. I don't need to do it manually. But for the age, I will need to do that manually, looking at the data set I have right here. So I can drag it closer to make it much more easier for me to look at. Then the first one is 23. Then I have 24. Then we have 23 again. Then we have 25. Then we have age 23 again. Then we have age 24 again. Then we have age 23. We have age 25. We have age 23. Age 24. Then we have age 20. 11 is 25. Sorry, 25, not 24. Then we have 23. Then we have 22. Then we have 24. Then we have 23 again. Then we have 25. Then we have 23. Then we have 23 again. Have 24 and 24. Good. So when we are done with that, we go up the gender. We have male, but permit me to fill this one randomly the way I like it. So male, I'll just do male, female, male, female, male again, female, female, male, male, female. Now you discover that as soon as I press the first letter, it gives me a suggestion of what I want to type. So as soon as I see that, I don't type everything. I just go to the next step by pressing the arrow key to move to the next cell. That's the down arrow key. So female, male, 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 female, female, female. So good. So I can now go back to this course. For this course, we have 76. Then we have 67, then we have 78, we have 67, we have 57, we have 88, we have 97, we have 87, we have 76, we have 56, we have 45, we have 67, we have 67, 56, we have 78, 78, we have 89, we have 90, we have 98, we have 87, and the last one is 76. Now I can delete this other one since I've now entered in my data. I just want us to see the process of entering in the data. So after entering the data, now let's look for the following. So we want to look for, so I'm going to write data analysis here. We want to look for the mean, median, mode. So we start from the mean, then we are looking for the median, then we are looking for the mode, that's the most occurring number, then we want to know the standard deviation. Standard deviation. So that's how we go on. So let me increase this one. Now, to continue to get that one done, all you just need to do is we want to know the mean of the scores alone. So I'm going to just reference this by using, I'll activate my calculation by pressing equal sign, then I'll type average, or I click on the one here, I double click, then I'll just hold my left mouse button on this and select all the scores, then I'll close the bracket, then enter. That's just it. As fast as that. Then the second one, I'll type median, open bracket, then I'll highlight the data set here, then close bracket, and then I'll press enter. So the median, the most occurring number, if you look at it manually, is what? Sorry, the middle number is 77. We all know the calculation for calculating median. Then the mode, that's the most occurring number. So we are going to activate the calculation with equal sign, MODE, open bracket. Then we are going to now reference the cell from here to here, then close bracket and enter. Then for the standard deviation, equal sign, ST. So this is it here, STD, standard deviation. Then we are going to reference it from here, down here. We close the bracket and then enter. So we have been able to calculate the mean, median, mode, and the standard deviation. See you in my next video. Thank you.